Now we are finally ready to stuff our head. I've got my stuffing ready. I've got my chopstick, and I also have a pair of forceps in case I might need those. The other thing I have is this stuffing tool that I got off of Amazon by Sizzix. There we go. And then of course I've got my fingers. I'm going to add stuffing to the nose first. Just a little bit of stuffing there, and again, remember, although it takes a little longer, you want to use smaller bits of stuffing and not a big wad of stuffing. You don't want to use, if you use something like this, it is not going to stuff very well. You're going to get pockets and it's going to be lumpy. So we'll just take little bits here. And you want to make sure to get the nose fairly firm. Now I've got stuffing in the nose right about to here, but now I'm going to start to add stuffing to the top of the head, because that will help keep the stuffing in the nose in place. Okay, I've got some stuffing in there pretty well. I think I'm going to start filling out the sides now, and then we'll make our way back to the nose. But first we're going to fill in the sides so that we're trying to shape the head. This is actually, you're sculpting from the inside out. You're not just blowing stuffing into a bear like at Build-A-Bear. You are sculpting with fiberfill. And then as you're inserting stuffing, make sure you feel for pockets. Like I can feel right here in the middle, there is an empty pocket. So we're gonna fill that before we go any further, because I don't want it to be a pain. If I didn't fill it now, I might get more stuffing in there, and then as I was feeling around later, I might feel that pocket and not be able to fill it. So then I'd have to pull all the stuffing out and then re-stuff it. Now I'm putting some more at the back of the head. You just keep kind of going in a circle to try to stuff it evenly. Now I feel a pocket right here because I haven't filled anything here. It's time to get back to the nose. You want it firm, but you need to take your time, and you don't want to stuff too hard because you don't want to split the stitching or the leather. And now as I think I want to fill more in the nose, but I'm going to use my hands and feel all around. Make sure that we're evenly stuffed, even though we're not finished. I want to make sure it's pretty even. And it does feel even, so that's good. If I felt it was uneven, then I would start stuffing in the areas that needed it to even it out. So now we're going to start going in a circle again. All throughout the stuffing process, I stop to check to see if things are evenly stuffed, if I've got a pocket, if I've got lumps. And you see, so far I have not used my stuffing tools. The nose is feeling pretty firm, but not overstuffed. Might need a little bit right here. It's a little soft right there. And I think to do that, I'm going to use my forceps and I'm going to glide this stuffing over the top of the other stuffing that's in there and right underneath the interfacing. There we go. That's better. And I think I need to add some more stuffing on the sides. I'm going to use my forceps again. And what I'm doing is I'm gliding it right underneath. On top of the stuffing that's already there. See how that shaped it out a little bit? This is a little flat compared to this side now. Let me hold it like this for you so you can see. See the difference? This is a little rounded, that's a little more flat. That's because I added the stuffing with the forceps to shape the head. So we'll do the same thing with the other side. See here. There. Now it's about where I want it, but the back here is a little soft, so we're going to add some more stuffing at the back. I should say it's more like we're going to place because we're strategically placing the stuffing where we want it. Again, we're sculpting from the inside. And now we need a little bit more here. I'm trying to be careful not to overstuff it. It's firm but not bursting. is I'm picturing getting this closed and adding the joint disc. I think we need just a little bit more cushion in there, just in the base. Okay, now I've got the head stuffed the way I'd like it. My next step is actually, this is just how I prefer to do it. I'm going to leave the neck open and I'm going to stitch the nose.